Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Azamuddin. So today I will explain about the simulation of Leg 1 PLC, which is about the task that is given to us is about soft drink beverage mixer system. So in this lab, the task that have been given is to make a program of how to produce a soft drink beverage mixer system. So the first assignment that have been given is you need to press the start button to start the batch process system. The stereo, motor 2 and motor 3 will turn on. So from here, we will start at our single tank, which is from here. This is our single tank. So our single tank. After that, we have to make sure that after the turn on, after the push button is being pressed, the pump will energize and solenoid valve 1 will open and fill in the single tank with a water level with a water. And then level sensor 1 and sensor 2 will turn on, and temperature sensor also gonna read the temperature until it reach 100%. So for task 1, which is single tank, so this is our PLC program. This is our tagging. So I will start by pressing the start button here. After the start button has been pressed, the program has been on. The buzzer will make a sound to notice us that the system has been running. This is where the pump will turn on, and the solenoid valve also gonna turn on. When solenoid valve 1 is turned on, the water will fill in the single tank. And after that, the level sensor 1 will turn on to detect the water level until it reach by the task is about until it reach the first level sensor, which is at the bottom of the single tank. This is the control. So from here, we will turn on the level sensor 1 and sensor 2. When the sensor 1 is on, the sensor 1 is on, the temperature also gonna on to heat up the water until it reach 100%. So this is the temperature level. When the temperature reach until 100%, solenoid valve 2 is gonna open, and solenoid valve 1 is gonna close after that. So this is our temperature sensor. So here we set 27648, which means 100 degrees Celsius. So when the sensor reaches 100%, the solenoid valve 2 is going to turn on. It's going to turn on to fill up the mixer tank. So from here, we see the actual level for until reach 85% is not been turned on. So from here, we control at the ultrasonic sensor. So when we drag the cursor until it reaches 85%, so solenoid valve 2 is going to stop, and the temperature, this is the actual level for the mixer tank, which is from here. We can see, I'm going to run first. So from here, you can see the actual level already reached 84%, and motor 1 is going to turn on. Okay, after that, single tank is already finished the task. So we go next to the sugar tank. I'm going to turn on. When the system is on, motor 2 already run at the starting when we push the start button. So for now, the actual level already reached 85%, and the solenoid valve 3 is open to fill up the mixer tank until it reached 97%. So here we're gonna play again at the ultrasonic sensor until so it's gonna start running at 85%. So from here you see the actual level, the solenoid valve is already open until it reached 97%. Okay, solenoid valve 3 is closed, which is the already noticed by showing that it's already reached the 97%. So the next task is about flavor tank. The flavor tank also when it's running, the from here you can see the solenoid valve 4 is already open after it reached 97%. So again we're gonna play at the ultrasonic sensor at 97%. The solenoid valve 4 is gonna open to fill up the mixer tank until it reach 100%. The solenoid valve 4 is gonna stop after it fully filling the mixer tank. So the next task is in mixer tank. So for mixer tank here, we already saw it's already reached 100%, which is including water, sugar, and what we call it, flavor. So from here, the motor is gonna run. The motor one, ultrasonic sensor reach 1%. So from here, the motor one should be running. And it's okay. Here I'm gonna explain to you. Here I put 10 seconds because of the real time. The actual time that given in the task is actually 10 minutes for the mixer tank to mix all the ingredient, but because of the time is 10 minutes too long because it's taken in real time, so I just put here for 10 seconds. So after 10 seconds of mixing, the timer is off and the motor also gonna turn off after that. And then after timer off, solenoid valve 5 is gonna open. Okay, in this task, solenoid valve is open. The solenoid valve is open. Solenoid valve 5 is open to repeat 12 times to fill in the water until it reaches 0%, and then the solenoid valve 5 is gonna stop. It's gonna close. Here we're gonna go to look at the counter. So from here, when solenoid valve is closed and the counter is already repeat 12 times, and the buzzer is gonna turn on for its 2 Hz of sound. So from here, as you already see, the counter is already stopped after 12 times. The buzzer is already make a sound, and that's all for the task. And actually, the other task, which is if you're not gonna pushing any of the reset or restart button, the program is not gonna restart on itself. So it depends on our setting. If you start to push the reset button, gonna stop, gonna turn off the push button. From here, they're gonna reset the button and also restart again. From here, if you start the reset again, the system gonna reset again and start again from the bottom, from the top until it finishes. As this the same as the task. As you can see, all the tank that has been assigned. Okay. After reset button is already done, already been pushed. So from here, as you can see, all the system already turned off. Only is gonna run after we start the push button again. Okay, I think that's all. in this video to explain about how the soft drink mixer beverage gonna run in our PLC. That's all. Thank you very much.